If you want to remove a page border in Microsoft Word, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it, whether you're using like a newer version of Word or an older one. Page borders can be useful for documents, but if you no longer want that border visible, the good news is it only takes a few clicks to remove it completely. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Word document that has the page border you want to remove. Once your document is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Design tab. If you're using an older version of Microsoft Word, this option may appear under Page Layout instead. The location can change depending on your version, but the steps are still very similar. After you're in the correct tab, look for the Page Borders option and click it. This will open the Borders and Shading window, which is where Word lets you control border settings for your document. In this window, make sure you're on the Page Border tab. That's the section specifically used for borders around the page itself, not just around paragraphs or text. Now, under the Setting area, select None. This tells Word that you do not want any page border applied to the document. Once you choose None, the border preview should disappear, showing that the page border is being removed. After that, click OK to confirm the change. Word will apply the new setting, and the page border should be removed from your document right away. If you don't see the change immediately, make sure you're looking at the correct page or that the border was applied to the whole document and not just a specific section. And that's it. Your Microsoft Word page border is now removed. This is a really handy trick if you're cleaning up a document, preparing a report, or just want a more minimal look. If this tutorial saved you time, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.